Hello, here we are, coming from a little pond. It's so cute. Dr. Mary Rensel here, talking to you about brains. So, we talk about brains and how they can change over time called neuroplasticity. And there's a new article recently talking about how it's more than just the synapses. So, if you've seen my previous videos, we've talked a little bit about how the nerves meet, and it reminds me of branches. You can see in this tree above me how if two branches were meeting and sending, or a bee going back and forth between two branches, that's what happens with the nerves. There's a chemical that has to move between the branches, but it turns out there's even more things that are what we would call plastic or able to be restructured, remodeled according to what we're learning or according to our experiences. So it's a good idea to honor some new experiences. This is a new park for me, coming here to see something new, and realize that that indeed could play a role when we have these new experiences in our white matter plasticity. So we in our brain have different kind of matter, white matter, gray matter, and that is because it looks different under the microscope because of the amount of myelin that it has, the wrap on the nerves. So, when we coach somebody and we're trying to optimize their abilities or get them to a new level with a project or to go for a new job or take a stretch assignment or what have you, we want to honor the fact that the brain has a neuroplasticity to it. It has the ability to remodel and restructure. And that can happen in our white matter, even where, the myelin is. So we might think of our brain as a very like cement. It's a structure, it doesn't change, but that is not the case. And so it's time, especially at the season when school's restarting and in some way remote or distant or very virtual, it's time to honor the fact that the brain is able to change. So what can change in the white matter? Well, the white matter, like how much myelin is there, how thick it is, how thick the axons actually are, which are the connectors from the nerve cell bodies. So the center of the nerve where it makes a lot of energy and creates the whole kind of powerhouse of the cell. Then it then sends messages out. So in order for the axons to change over time, it might actually change in shape and size. So there's that. We can do that. We can change that with our learning and our experiences, and then also the internode, so how far that our nerves have to send electricity down the wire of the nerves, quote unquote wire of the nerves. If you think of like a cell phone charger, how many times you have to jump from, let's say, if you thought of the myelin as a hot dog bun wrapped around the cell phone charger wire, this electricity only has to go from node to node, like around the buns, so that it's more efficient. So our brain tries to be really efficient, and we also can be efficient when we're learning and experiencing new situations. So we want to be purposeful about it, right, and strategic. And so as a coach, we want to make sure that we're encouraging those new behaviors and experiences to enhance actually the brain plasticity in the white matter. So we have the ability to really see people make really amazing changes in their lives as coaches, but indeed we're never going to be able to see it with our eyes, but we'll know from their behaviors that they're also altering their white matter. Okay, so if you have someone stuck, just let them know that there is a capability of the brain called plasticity that can change with time and with learning and new memories and new experiences. And try one today. What are you guys going to do? Why don't you message me what you're going to do, something new. I'm here visiting my aunt in her assisted living, and there's a really pretty park near her. It was really cute. They just had a singer singing to her. It was very darling. They were all excited about it. Anyway, so, find something new and get a stretch assignment and enhance your white matter. You can do it. I believe in you. Follow me on YouTube, please, and or DM me, and I'll connect you with a fact sheet to help you get moving in this area. Okay? All the best. Have a good day.